guys. Now Madam Pekle Africa dey here. Make I gist you small. There is a particular client that came when we were selling our property at Apple Garden City. We were on promo that time, over 6 months ago, and when I told him the price as of when we started Apple Gardens for 15 million naira, he said, "Oh, Madam Pekle, I will not be able to buy this particular Apple Garden City because I'm actually looking for a property that is selling for 3 million or 5 million naira, so that at least I'll be able to purchase like 50 plots or 100 plots with my friends and partners. We usually keep them for like 3-5 years or more so that the price can increase so that we can make profit." Then I told him that, "Sir, you see this one that is 50 million naira, you are going to buy it. I want you to buy it and I will convince you to buy it because I know you will appreciate me tomorrow." He said, "Shoot." And I told him, I said that there are different ways in making money in real estate. When they say buying lands and properties and investing in real estate does not mean you should buy a very cheap property of 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 500,000 and keep for a very long time before you make profits. No. Yes, there are some properties you will buy within 6 months, you are in massive profits. There are some that you will buy today and after 1 week or 2 weeks, you see people giving you double the amount you use in purchasing that property. Such property, the location matters a lot, okay? And then there are some that 2 months, 3 months or 1 year, you are in massive profit. And then I told him, I gave him reason for this at Apple Garden City because first of all, the people we purchase this landed property from, they are people that you don't joke with. And then this property has CFO. It's not a CFO that you will say is in view. We are trying to find way for us to have CFO. No, this is a CFO that we have a copy in our office already. And after all the things I said, what you will do is that because this one is 50 million naira for this promo price, I want you to just reduce the quantity you want to buy so that the money will not be too much. Take the risk. I will be the one to resell it for you with a great profit. He said, "Okay, let me think about it." And within few days, this client of mine called me back and said, "Okay, Patience, let me go with what you have said. I will go for 20 plots." Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm talking to you right now, this person have his documents with him, a 20 plots of land in Apple Garden City that he bought at a promo price of 15 million naira. As I did narrate this story, the person is listening to me and the person will be laughing wherever he is. And today, a plot of land, after 6 months later, this land of 15 million naira is now 50 million naira per plot. I tell the person, make we sell, and he's telling me that, "Madam Pekle, I'm ready to wait in the next 3 years before selling." See person wey I suffer, convince say make him buy land. Now he no gree sell. That is the sweetness in investing your money in real estate. When I say Madam Pekle know in onions, I know my onion. I no be learner for this industry. That is why I said that money you are keeping in the bank, quickly call Madam Pekle. Let me tell you the best way that we will reinvest that money, and in 6 months to 1 year, you will be in massive profit. That total money you will get ×2 of that money. You dey hear me? Make I not talk too much because the story book and the story dey sweet me. E dey totori my belle. Alright, quickly call me on 090-3429-6519 to collect your plot. So because this person what they talk about, he just dey happy anyhow. And he don't collect document, he don't survey land, he don't confirm and say he complete 20 plots. Come make her cut your own for you. Don't leave that money line like that. Let me triple that amount in your bank account so that you go happy. You dey get that part? Madam Pekle dey wait for you. You know the number now, 090-3429-6519. I dey wait for you. God bless you. Make I face my work. I don do am about finish.